What is going on, traders, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad to have you. In this video, I'm going to show you how I visualize support and resistance on a stock chart. This is the first of my technical analysis tutorials. Let's get to it. All right, when it comes to buyers and sellers, I'm only concerned about two types. Type 1 is going to be big money. That includes institutional traders and hedge funds. Type 2, that's going to be retail traders. That's going to be people like me and you. Now, big money moves the market, and retail traders, we just ride the wave of what big money is doing. All right. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at a few charts. First up is United Health Group, ticker symbol UNH. This chart is on the weekly time frame, meaning that every candle you see represents a week of price action. Looking at this chart, I see that when the price gets down around $445, big money steps in and buys shares. And this is what we call support, because the price is being held up in this area. And we're going to signify that with big money waiting down here with buy orders. Now, I also see when the price gets to around $560, big money starts selling their shares. And this is what we call resistance, because the price can't seem to get above this area. And we're going to signify that with big money waiting up here with sell orders. Now remember, I said retail traders just ride the wave. So how would a retail trader like myself play this? Well, I set alerts when the price gets down between $445 and $460 to start watching for when big money comes in and starts buying again. If they do, then I'll go ahead and hop on this train and ride it all the way up to resistance where big money is selling. Make sense? Some individuals who can't watch the market all the time use this strategy in their trading, but you should understand that technical analysis alone is not guaranteed, because any macro event like economic indicators, geopolitical events, monetary policies, even natural disasters can affect the market. And with that, all technical analysis is thrown out the window. All right, so just understand that nothing is guaranteed. Let's go ahead and take a look at another example. All right, so this is Home Depot, ticker symbol HD, and this chart is also on the weekly time frame. On my charts, I like to highlight areas of support and resistance. On this one, you can see support is around $265 and resistance is around $340. Now, if I wanted to play Home Depot, how would I set up my plan? Well, I would set an alert around 270 and start watching for it to bottom out around 265. Then I'd wait for big money to start buying it up again. Then I ride that price up to around 340 and sell. Now you can do this with shares or options, but in my opinion, shares are better and less stressful for beginning traders. Let's take a look at one more example. Okay, so the last one we're going to look at is Hewlett Packard Enterprises, ticker symbol HPE, and this chart is on the weekly time frame. All right, so where's the support? There are a couple on this chart, but the one down around $8.50 is an outlier due to the pandemic. So I'll go ahead and focus on the area between $12 and $13. Now, if I bought shares at $13, where would my target sell area be? Yes, it would be between $17.50 and $18. A quick note, the larger the time frame, the easier it is to spot strong support and resistance areas, all right? All right, so I hope this video made sense to you. If not, feel free to rewatch the video or leave any questions that you have in the comment section of this video, and I'll do my best to answer it for you. Now, if you did find this tutorial helpful, smash that like button and please consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, talk to you later.